Hi, this is Shay of Shay Design Studio, and today I'm here to do a quick tutorial on how to blend acrylic paint. So let's go ahead and get started. So what you want to keep in mind is when it comes to blending acrylic paint, you want to make sure that you're using colors that are not complementary to one another. For example, purple and yellow are complementary because they are on the opposite side of each other on the color wheel. What tends to happen is if you blend those types of paints, you'll get a muddy brown. I mean, if that's what you want, hey, have at it. But if you're looking for a more even blend, then you want to look for colors that are not opposite of each other on the color wheel. Just letting you know. So as you can see here, I have two different colors, orange and yellow. Bright colors, but they'll do, as long as they're not complementary, right? So what I went ahead and did is, as you can see, I'm using a flat brush, which I find is just better for blending. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the first color and go ahead and just paint. And as you can see, I'm doing a back and forth motion. Back and forth, right? So once I get enough coat on there, I'm gonna go ahead and with the paint still on there, just dab a little bit of into the wet cup. Wet cup. I'm gonna dab some into the cup, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use the second color, and start from the middle and blend down. As you can see, it's starting to blend just a little bit, but it's what I tend to do is I go back and forth, and I use a towel or something to wipe off the excess paint, and then I go back to the second color and start all over again, starting from the middle and blending down. As you can see, here's my rag, and just get in the middle. As you can see, it's starting to blend. Oh, look at that blend, look at that blend. So yeah, and then once I'm done with that, I'll go ahead and wipe off that excess paint there and continue on because I want to make sure that the yellow is showing through. So as you can see, I started with the red and then it started blending in the middle, and now I'm just using plain yellow. But as I'm using that yellow, I'm blending up just a little bit so it can blend in with the previous color. Wipe it off, yes girl, yes. Alright, so let's just finish blending this here. Just wipe that off. So the basic part of blending is just making sure that you have colors that are not complementary to one another, and when you start in the middle when you use your second color and blend down, and then when you're starting on with another color, just do the same. And that is how you blend acrylic paint. If you have any questions, please leave comments, and I will see you all next time. Bye!